Hey, well, did you learn something? I hope you learned a lot. I wanted to say thank you so very much for signing up for this course. Uh, and I just want to let you know that you can do it. I want you to start running with it. I want you to have faith, realize that you can make money online, okay? You guys know who I am. I showed you how I got started in online retail. I also showed you video proof on how I make between $15,000 to $30,000 every month in sales. And you know what? I'm just getting started myself. I'm only 2.5. Actually, this is my 3rd year. A lot of you guys and girls are going to be just getting started, but you can do it in a short amount of time. Just stay focused. And remember, every accomplishment starts with a decision to try. So you can't accomplish anything unless you try, right? So I want you to start making that effort today. Sign up with eBay. If you're already on eBay, get started and start putting more products up there. Okay, and I told you online retail is the way to go. Okay, also we discussed online retail facts. The best places to sell online. I showed you that. You also learned how you must have a product. That's very, very important as well. You also learned the difference between retail arbitrage, online retail arbitrage, and private label. So those are the 3 steps that I need you to take. Okay, remember that: retail arbitrage, online retail arbitrage, and private label. Okay, so those are the 3 main steps in selling online. Okay, we talk. Oh, remember that bonus video that I gave you? That is the one secret that you need to know, and keep that. Hold on to that. And we know what that one secret is. I showed you on, the key to your financial success, which is buy low, sell high. Okay, don't forget that. That should be your main, word. I don't want to say mantra, but if you want to call it a mantra, put that in front of you and keep that in front of you. Buy low, sell high. That's how you're going to be successful online. Okay, I showed you where to get the products. I showed you my 25 top places that I can vouch for as far as where you should get your products. Okay, and I've also showed you how much you can make, not just from what you've seen that I've made, but the sky is the limit for you. Okay, and for both of us. So you just got to get started. Okay, I also gave you some golden nuggets, things that you need to know to help you to grow. Okay, and hold on to that. You can always go back to the videos in this course, but I want to personally say thank you. Thank you for signing up. Tell your friends. If you have questions, sign up. Well, actually, just ask questions right there in the course. After each section, you'll be able to ask me questions, and I'll answer them as best I can. Okay. Also, take my quiz. Very, very, very important. It's not a pass or fail thing, but I want to see where you're at. It's going to be just a few questions. Take my quiz. I want to see. I'm going to be looking at your scores, but it's not a pass or fail type thing. Just want to make sure you're learning. Okay. So, anyway, talk to you soon. I'm going to have more classes, private coaching. For those of you who want to go a little bit more in learning more, a little bit more hands-on as far as how do I sign up for eBay or Amazon. If you have additional questions, I'll have a monthly sign up private coaching online course that you can, actually an online ongoing class where you can privately ask me questions and I can show you videos on how to do certain things that you're specifically asking me. Okay, so take care. Go for it.